The Tamiya Euro truck is probably my favorite class. So here we go. This is the final race for a series. This is a 2021 series. And this is race 4. Now, I've raced race 1, 2. I missed 3. This is number 4. There's 3 more. And the way it works is you keep your top 5. So just need to make sure that I make the next races. I couldn't make one of them for good reasons. But again, this is by far my favorite. And one of the reasons why is, especially if you're a beginner, and it doesn't matter if you're not a beginner, but say you're a beginner, because it's a completely stock class and there's no adjustments to the trucks, you don't have to worry about tuning after every race. Therefore, you just focus on driving and becoming a better driver. That's really it. You can focus more on lines, taking lines, and that was horrible. That was a horrible line. But anyway, you're going to see some horrible lines. But you can focus on that rather than how to set up your vehicle. So you can work on lines first, then later on you can move on to a different class when you can start focusing on tuning a vehicle. But other than that, this is one that I highly recommend you consider. To buy a Euro truck, you're looking at, for the kit, under $150 for these. And then after that you need a servo. You can use whatever servo you want. Servos, you can get servos anywhere from, say, about $25 for a Rage servo, which are very good servos for the price. To over $100 depending on what you want to get. So that's something to keep in mind. The kits do come with a motor, pinion, etc., and you're going to be running the stock motor, stock pinion with these. You're going to need paint for the body. Depends on how many colors you want to use. Paint, a rattle can will generally run anywhere from $5 to $8 depending on the brand. I tend to buy Tamiya paint, for example. I also buy the Duratrax paint. This is Duratrax paint. On here, the silver and that red burgundy color. Then you just buy your transmitter receiver, and that's it. So transmitter, receiver, servo, and battery. But other than that, that's it. So enjoy the rest of the race, and let's see what happens. Hopefully I can win. Alright, so I am able to take this one. Please share, like, subscribe, comment. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
What? Oh, my hair! My tongue! My rod!